Earth. A big, beautiful rock floating through space. Home to many forms of organic life, including both you and me. But where did it come from? Where did it go? Where did it come from? Earth. This is the short story of how the little blue planet came to be. The universe as we know it begins as a single point, infinitesimally small in its size, known as the singularity. Then, inexplicably, it expands, releasing a massive wave of energy, and thus the universe is born. Gravity is the first of the four fundamental forces to emerge, followed shortly by the strong nuclear force. At this point, the universe undergoes rapid expansion in the inflationary period. The final two fundamental forces, electromagnetism and weak nuclear force, then separate out from the rest. And with that, matter, the stuff that makes up you, me, and everything we see, begins to form out of the energy radiation. But the universe is still hot, at an outstanding 1 trillion Kelvin. We must fast forward 400 million years later, until the universe is cool enough that particles can come together to form stars. Let's take a look at one of these particle conglomerates, a molecular cloud comprised largely of hydrogen and helium. It may not look it, but this is our solar system 4.6 billion years ago. Mass collects in the center of the cloud, generating incredible heat as it collapses inward and eventually forms our sun. Around the sun, the leftover dust from the molecular cloud starts to spin into a protoplanetary disk. Dust particles clump together through accretion, growing and growing until they reach the size of planetesimals, objects that would eventually become the planets in our solar system. Here is baby Earth, one of almost 300,000 planetesimals among the dust. The young Earth's first 500 million years are rough, impact upon impact striking its hot molten surface. As the Earth reaches significant size, a massive object crashes into it, breaking off bits and pieces of the newly forming planet. The debris from the collision would later go on to form the Moon. But a new best friend is not all these impacts gave Earth. Water, an essential ingredient for life, is believed to have been brought here by meteors, and with it followed many more friends. Early Earth was full of single-celled microbes known as cyanobacteria, which changed the atmosphere by turning carbon dioxide into oxygen. This oxygen-rich environment allowed more complex organisms to evolve, including all your favorites, such as sheep, lizards, and even dogs. Oh, and also human beings. And that is how the little blue planet came to be.